decades, the membrane filter technique has been performed the same way. Pall has simplified that process with the Sentino Microbiology Pump. The Sentino pump provides three key benefits to microbial analysis: contamination control, simple to use, and a compact size. The peristaltic design ensures fluid flow in one direction and allows for a disposable fluid path that can be replaced before biofilm buildup causes a contamination hazard to your analysis. Connect the main power, install a fluid path, and you are ready to filter. The Sentino pump operates with a simple on-off button, with no need to program filtration parameters. The small size is easy to work with in confined spaces and takes up less benchtop space. The Sentino pump is designed to work with Pall's popular microfunnel filter funnels, which are disposable and available in a wide variety of styles. The Sentino Microbiology Pump is easy to set up and begin using. Insert the plug into the power entry socket. Connect the power cord to the input interface on the transformer. Plug the power cord into a wall socket and confirm that the main power light is illuminated green and the battery status is illuminated blue, indicating the battery is charging. Open the pump by pulling on the pump head door. Position the adapter into the guide on the pump housing and slide it until it is firmly seated. Position the tubing into the guide slot on the base and tuck the tubing into the slot on the pump head. Remove tubing slack by gently pulling the tubing against the rollers as you close the pump loading door. Place a microfunnel filter funnel onto the pump adapter. Pour your sample into the filter funnel. Start your filtration by pressing on the on-off button. Stop filtration by pressing the on-off button again. Another option for filtration of small volumes is using the pulse button. Press and hold the pulse button to perform filtration and release the button to stop filtration. Change the fluid path in the Sentino pump at least once a week. For optimal contamination control, replace it daily. Upon initial installation or at the end of a filtration series, rinse the fluid path with 70% IPA for 5 seconds. Pump residual alcohol through the tube and open the pump head loading door to relieve the tubing of any pinching from the rollers when not in use. The easiest way to perform membrane filtration. The Sentino Microbiology Pump is a small, simple-to-use pump to complement the contamination control objectives in your lab.